Hello viewers, this is another video from ROI MediaWorks presenting you how to slice the analytics data just to show social media traffic in Google Analytics. When you log into Google Analytics, this is the first screen you would normally see, like summary of all the data here. So to see the actual reports, click on View Report, and this basically shows all the visits and all the general information that's related to your website. So normally if you want to see any traffic coming from referring sites, you would go to traffic sources and then click on referring sites. This will have all the traffic from sites like facebook.com, linkedin.com, Twitter, StumbleUpon, like any links pointing to your website comes up here. If somebody comes through a link, it will show up in here. It could be if you have multiple blogs, if you're getting traffic from other blogs to your blog, you would see them here. But it doesn't actually show what percentage is social media traffic and how does it compare to the total website traffic. So to find out the percentage of the social media traffic, we're going to create an advanced segment that tells you what is the social media traffic compared to the overall website traffic. So let's go ahead to advanced segments and then click on create new segment. So here basically we can drag and drop a dimension or metric into the custom segment. Here we're going to look at the traffic sources. So let's go ahead to traffic sources and then select the source. We're looking for source traffic coming from facebook.com. So we had to select a condition, like here I'm going to select contains. You could pick up any condition there, but we had to pick up the one that's relevant to finding Facebook traffic. So let's put a value here, Facebook. So it's automatically showing, if you're already getting some traffic from these social networking sites, Google automatically populates them here, so you can pick up that site you want. And then let's go ahead and add another segment here. Source contains. This time I'm going to find for Twitter, and again go ahead, add another source. I'm going to add LinkedIn, and let's add another segment. Source contains StumbleUpon.com. I mean, you can add as many as you want. I mean, if you're getting traffic from social networking sites and if you classify that particular site as social media website, then you should put it in here. So let's go ahead and test this segment. Okay, we didn't give any segment name. That's a must. So let's name it social media traffic. So now let's go ahead and test it. So as you can see, it's showing some visits coming from, this is 5 visits from StumbleUpon.com, 10 visits from LinkedIn.com, and this is all individual visits. So let's create this segment. That's it. Now we have the segment here, and all we had to do is go back to dashboard and to see how the social media traffic compares to overall website traffic. So to see that, click on all visits here right next to advanced segments. I'm going to select the social media traffic test I just created a couple of minutes ago. Apply. Then what you see here is a nice graph showing all visits versus the social media traffic, and this is you don't have to spend 15 minutes going to individual social media site traffic page and see how much traffic you were getting. You can realistically compare how much traffic you are getting here, and you can compare it to the overall site traffic. That's it for this week, and watch out for next week for another exciting video about Google Analytics.